Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your profile picture on Canva. Whether we want to update a personal account or refresh a brand image, we can follow these simple steps to upload and set a new profile photo on the Canva dashboard. Let's get started. To change the profile picture in Canva, we need to go to the mini profile logo in the lower left corner. We click on it and then select Settings. Here, we will see the option to change the photo. We can update the profile picture by clicking that option and choosing the new image we want to use. Let's click this button. If the image is too large, we can choose a smaller one. Let's look for sample pictures and select one. As we can see, it is now updating. We just need to wait for it to finish. And that's it. Our profile picture has been successfully changed in Canva. That's how we change the profile picture in Canva. It's a quick and easy way to keep the profile fresh and up to date.